Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and greetings, AliShanMao here. Question was, can one FPV pilot fly two FPV aircraft at the same time simultaneously and perform an FPV chase? Well, that is also a challenge that I'm trying to do with Rambler RS and Mini Talon chasing Rambler RS or chasing the aggressor FPV aircraft. Now before that I need a lot of preparation, I need a lot of testing to do, and I am doing that. Just put one plane on RTH circling and chase it with the other plane. So let's perform test first. Let's perform some testing of Rambler RS. It's very windy here. I'm at Shagtan RC Airport, open area, nothing to worry about. I'll see how it maintains the altitude, how it circles around. So let's try to do it. Wish me luck. Plane is circling at 100 meters altitude. I have turned the radio off. See? So radio is off, plane is circling very well. Let me just say sorry, I'm alone today. Nobody is here to shoot ground to air video. And plane is maintaining its altitude and circle, 200 meter radius circle very well. So one more circle and I will actually land it. The plane has been circling around while the radio is off successfully for a while. It has been 3 or 4 circles without any issues. Let's land it. Alright, here we go. Let it come back from these mountains, then I will activate the radio, turn it on and take control. Okay, I got the control. Awesome. Now, how do we land it? Now I have to test Mini Talon and see how that behaves, and based on that performance in this windy, gusty place. It wasn't windy when I came here, but now it is. So anyway, we'll start. We'll throw the Mini Talon in the air now and see how it goes, and after that I don't have much elevator, I don't know why. Alright, my chase plane is down. It's very strange. I actually covered the top and taped it, but you can see the top flew away. And somehow you can see one of my elevator. It wasn't responding. The way I was having trouble seems like the elevator was having trouble. But anyway, I was able to bring it down safely. Let's find the missing piece. Now, alhamdulillah, I got lucky. And Mini Talon is definitely a superb aircraft. Now you see what I'm talking about. I couldn't find the missing piece of elevator, the VTOL. It just came down very fast and hard. and landed, grass caught it, so no damage you can say. But man, I should have found the elevator if it broke upon that landing. This means the way I was having trouble, I was giving it all the way, pitch down all the way and holding it high and give it more speed, you know, to make it climb, but it wasn't responding that way. It was responding, but not that way. And the thing is, the S and L actually still kept the stabilization on. That was amazing. Anyway, my chase plane is down, but I can chase using the aggressor. That's not a big deal. So let's test aggressor. This I have to 3D print the top, 3D print the elevator, and install it with you know, some hinges. So it will be back in the air, no problems. Just need slight repairs. Alright, well, Mini Talon cannot fly. Rambler and Aggressor, they're flying very well. And basically I can attempt the FPV chase. One pilot, two planes FPV chase. However, the way it's windy today here and the way the wind is slapping these planes around, I think I better wait. Either wait some time until the winds cut down and then attempt it, or wait for a good calm winds day and then we will attempt this stunt. And obviously, inshallah, it will go very well. I do have a 10-inch propeller, HQ spare propeller, because Aggressor actually broke the propeller while I was holding it and trying to put it as a display. It fell on the ground and chipped off about half an inch of the propeller, which I have to cut the other side to balance. So I found the propeller is now 9-inch and motor is taking way too much RPM to keeping it in the air. But I'm surprised it flew at a very, very low speed. It didn't stall. That is amazing. So given the nature of the winds here in this area, as you can see, this is a mountain. And then there's a deep valley down there and the mountains and other hills around. So the winds are actually really very turbulent today. Always have been, but today is extra turbulent. I can still attempt the chase, but it's not gonna be pretty. I mean, the views are not gonna be very good with the planes are shaking too much, you know. So let's wait it out. Either winds calm down and I'll attempt it again. I have enough batteries, or wait for other day and I can prepare the Mini Talon as a backup plane just in case. We need a backup plane for the FPV chase. So we'll call it a day. I'm happy the testing went very well, alhamdulillah, and I'm really happy that my Mini Talon did not crash. So stay tuned for one pilot and 1, 2 FPV planes flying at the same time and performing FPV chase video. I'll do it, inshallah. I'm not giving up on that. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.